Are we ready for today's vlog?
Yes.
All right then. So, I am Karuna Vihan. I am the Chief Learning Architect at Ved International School. I have a lot of students from 11th Commerce in front of me, and let's talk to them. Let's see their models. Let's see what they have made. So, do you want to present your model to me? All right.
So there are mainly 6 consumer rights in India. The first one is right to informed. So basically consumers have right to get every information about the goods or services they are purchasing, like price, quality and quantity. And the second one is right to safety. So consumer have also the right to get safer products that do not danger for their lives and health.
No organization can compel you to buy its products or services through unfair practices. That means कि कंज्यूमर के पास ये राइट है कि मल्टीपल ऑप्शन में से जो उसे पसंद है वो उसको चूज कर सकता है. उसके पास राइट है, कोई भी उसे फोर्स नहीं कर सकता कि आप ये चूज करो या वो चूज करो. उसके पास राइट है कि उसको जो मर्जी है वो चूज कर सकता है.
All right, thank you, Nadia and Adi. We will be moving to another model now. I have the students of 11th Commerce with me again. This is another model, the accounting cycle. Let's talk to them. Tell me your name and try to explain your models in small parts, all right? Small bits.
My name is Vanshika. I'm from class 11th Commerce. So today we are discussing the topic of accounting cycle. Accounting cycle is a step-by-step process which we use to analyze and summarize business transactions.
It was great, very great presentation, guys. Very, very great. I am very impressed. All right, but you took a lot of my time. So I have to go now. We will be visiting the school now and we will be going to different classes. Let's see what the teachers are doing. It's parents-teacher meeting at Ved International today. So you will be getting some different glimpses of the classrooms. Now we will be moving on to the reception area. I see there are a lot of parents with Kapil sir, so he is busy. But I see Payal ma'am. Payal ma'am, can I have a second of your time, please? How are you? What are you doing today?
Today, lots of parents are there, so I am attending them.
All right. How are you?
I am fine, man. What about you?
I am great. Thank you for asking that. Have a nice day, ma'am. All right. So now we will be seeing the very beautiful pots that we have made for the parents. These are the small pots that we have prepared for the parents in small coolers. And since parents are coming to the school in such chilly weather and they are infusing life into the school, so we thought we would give them with something that sustains life. All right, ma'am. So thank you for making such beautiful pots for the parents. And it is a great thing that our teachers are doing such things. Thank you very much. And keep doing the good job. All right. Parents are liking them?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much. So here you can see that the parents-teacher meeting is happening right now. And it is almost 1:10. So it will be coming to an end very, very soon. Until then, you can do whatever you want to do, but I will be seeing you in the next video. So until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.